Prove your efforts at such a level that it is not living based on divine grants only, but his personal efforts have also been included in sufficient quantity. Pratibha is a divine level electrical consciousness which fills an extraordinary level of human personality. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book title Mahakal का प्रतिभाओं को आमंत्रण. Mahakal's invitation to talented or genius. It is easy to find people who are strong, wealthy, talented. Still, it is not easy to find talented people, especially when this talent or pratibha is combined with self confidence that builds trust in people to follow them. These people are influential and with a strong will power they can lead others. Talented people have been able to transform this world. In ancient times, people did not have houses or the materialistic comfort level we have today. Those people were called cavemen. They were hunters and gatherers and were hardly able to cope with the weather and struggled to survive. Where was the world so beautiful then? The world was not always like we have now. Beautifully furnished homes, cultured, educated people, so much wealth and gadgets made possible by science and inventions. The whole world has not transformed on its own, but with human talent or pratibha. This talent is a divine gift and it is usually a balanced combination of spiritualism, might, bravery, strength, self confidence, and self belief, which is reflected in the person's character. These talented people act like a magnet and can build the trust of people to lead them. The book gives a list of examples of such people. It is the talent that acquires splendor and provides a high level of suggestions, solutions, courage, and nobility. Glad to present a small book on the topic that explains how this talent can also be used for both constructive or destructive purposes. The talent is like the rising sun. As soon as it is seen, a new atmosphere of consciousness rises everywhere. Few excerpts from the book. Talent is visible in the form of vigor in the body, splendor in the psyche, and sublime supremacy in the conscience. Idealistic purpose, planning, order, and courageous effort. If combined with perfection, there will be no exaggeration in giving the name of the bouquet to talent. It is said that truth has the strength equal to thousand elephants. But if talent, awareness, adventure is also added with it, then there can be such things as a mixture of gold and fragrance. Then it can also be called powerfulness, like lakhs of arrow instead of a thousand elephants. The rich people of courage had done big things by highlighting the talent of the ordinary people. Chandragupta could not find himself worthy of the responsibility of the great empire, but Chanakya burnt his life and forced him to follow his orders. Important topics covered in the book are top achievement talent. There is no more competence than talent. Sophisticated talent, a divine gift, a boon. Culmination, the talent of strong morale. Go ahead and reach the goal.